Verse 1第一节。
Holy, 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 Lord God Almighty. Early in the morning, a song shall rise to thee. Holy, 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 merciful and mighty, God over all, who rules eternity.
Verse 2第二节。
Holy, 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 all the saints adore thee, casting down the golden crowns around the glassy sea. Cherubim and seraphim falling down before thee, who wert and art and evermore shall be.
Last verse 最后一节。